Coach, what equipment or software do I need to start as a VA? Napakagandang question. Kung gusto mo maging virtual assistant pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung magagamitin software, don't worry. You only need three main things to get started. Practical, budget-friendly, at pasok kahit na beginner ka. First, reliable computer and internet connection. Hindi mo kailangan ng high-end na laptop, pero dapat kaya nitong mag-run ng mga basic tools like Google Docs, Zoom, at Canva. Sa ideal specs, siguro at least 8 gig na RAM, Intel i5 processor or AMD equivalent, at SSD storage para smooth ang trabaho. Sa internet naman, at least 25 Mbps for stable calls and file uploads. Kung medyo tight ang budget mo, pwede ka magsimula sa mga second hand. Pero dapat conditions. Second, kailangan mo ng mga essential tools. Kailangan mo ng Gmail for emails, Google Drive for file storage, and Zoom or Google Meet or Skype para sa mga client needs. Kung admin VA ka, try to learn the Trello, Asana, and Click. Or kung ikaw naman ay social media VA, try to learn Canva and basic business tools. Those are must-haves. At kung halimbawa, nasa e-commerce ka, dapat mo rin pag-aralan yung mga basics ng Shopify and Amazon Central. The good news is, libre ang karamihan ito. Third, good headset and workspace setup. Hindi mo kailangan ng full office. Pero, importante mayroon kang quiet at comfortable workspace. Yung hindi ka basta nai-istorbo. Invest in a noise cancelling headset, lalo na kung lagi ka lang ipag-usap sa calls. And meron naman dyan mga affordable brand, pwede yung Logitech, baka naman, or Jabra. It works well actually, para clear yung post. Kung madalas naman, nasa Zoom meeting ka, consider a webcam at least 720 resolution. Siyempre, dapat meron kang backup power or mobile data in case of brownout. So, ayan. Number 1 is a good computer and internet. Number 2 is essential softwares. And 3, a proper workspace. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos na malaki. Start small, upgrade later. Ang mahalaga, may gamit ka para makapagtrabaho ng rights. Ready ka na? Apply na.